Alright, one of my jacks failed today, and the trailer kind of didn't fall over, but it went to the side and shifted probably over a foot, I guess. So I tried to stabilize it the best I could. So my son's gonna bring over more of a heavy-duty jack and see if we can't get this stabilized a little bit better. Pain in the butt. Guess that's the life of building a tiny house. Alright, my son brought over his jack, and I was able to put some 4x4 blocks underneath it. Life is good. Gonna keep moving forward. Okay, I also put some lumber underneath these wheels so it won't fall so far this time if it falls again. When it fell last time, I thought the sky was falling. It scared the hell out of me. So that's it. Okay, I got my window back that I made. They put some glass in it for me. Now I just gotta glaze it. And I'm gonna do something else to it. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Then I'll get it installed. Alright, so I've been flashing my windows. Got some more done over here. Got those windows flashed. And I got this window flashed. I still need to do that one up there. And I still need to do that one up there. And I got that window flashed. And I still got that window to do, and the one in the front. Oh, and I got the two dormers on the other side I got to do too. So that's my day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and keep moving forward.